Welcome to Flight Log, January 16, 2026. Today's episode covers the US Navy's BQM-177 drone demos with Hivemind AI, India's approval of Boeing 767 tankers, and Air Canada's new A320X LR routes. The US Navy completed a second successful demonstration of the BQM-177A subsonic aerial target equipped with Shield AI's Hivemind software on December 11, 2025 at Point Mugu Sea Range in California. Two BQM-177A targets were flown autonomously using Hivemind software within a live virtual constructive environment, operating alongside a virtual constructive environment operating alongside a virtual adversary aircraft. The demonstration advanced manned, unmanned, teaming capabilities for collaborative combat aircraft, CCA, with the virtual FIF-A-18 directing the drones to defend designated combat air patrol locations. The test utilized the Autonomy Government Reference Architecture (AGIRE) framework, enhancing interoperability across autonomous platforms. Rear Admiral Tony Rossi, Program Executive Officer for Unmanned Aviation and Strike Weapons, stated, "This is an important step toward advancing autonomous capabilities for the fleet." The demonstration followed a first test in August 2025 and aligns with ongoing efforts to integrate F-35s with CCAs in Joint Simulation Environment training systems. The Indian Ministry of Defense has granted an acceptance of necessity for 6 pre-owned Boeing B-767 airliners to be converted into aerial refuelers by Israel Aerospace Industries, IAI. This acquisition aims to address the Indian Air Force's IAF critical refueling capability gap caused by the poor serviceability rate of its 6 Ilyushin Il-78 MKI tankers, which stood at 49% as reported in a 2017 Comptroller and Auditor General CAG report. The deal, valued at 9,000 crore rupees (900 million), includes 30% local manufacturing through partnership with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HIL. Deliveries of the converted tankers are expected to begin in 2030, with 2 aircraft delivered in that year, followed by 2 annually, targeting induction into service by early 2029. Air Canada has ordered 30 Airbus A321XLR aircraft, with the first frame now scheduled to arrive in early 2026, originally due in 2024. Each aircraft will feature 182 seats, 14 fully flat business seats in a 1-1 configuration and 168 economy seats in a 3-3 layout. The airline has revealed 9 specific routes for the XLR, including Montreal to Calgary, beginning May 1st, Montreal to Dublin 4 times weekly starting May 15th, and Montreal to Toulouse 4 times weekly to daily year-round from May 15th. On the Montreal to Edinburgh route, Air Canada increased seats per sale by 72% year-over-year due to the XLR's higher capacity, achieving a 78% seat fill rate in the first year. The XLR will account for 16% of Montreal Europe flights, with 114 departures out of 702 total. Thanks for tuning in to today's Flight Log. We'll be back next week with more aviation insights. Stay tuned for the latest updates in the skies.